Hey there everyone, welcome to Gaming Basis, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your name on EA. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Now first of all, you have to open your EA app. Now once you're in your EA app, hover your mouse to the right side of the screen and a menu should pop up like this. Here you can see your profile and your friends list. Now go to your profile and click on the down arrow. Here you can see my profile option. Just click on it. From here, click on edit profile. As you can see, you can change your name over here. Now just type in your new name and click on done. Here I'm just gonna change a little bit of my name. After you have put in your desired new name, just click on done. And as you can see, my name has been changed. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you face any confusion, just leave your queries in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.